Wis ana suarane dong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. My name is Eviana Dasari. We will like to present the result of my work about journalistic. The first, my name is Eviana Dasari and my partner is Dini Puspitasari.
A. Finding the difficult words. 1. Traumatik, trauma. 2. Intravenous, intravena. 3. Diagnostik, diagnosis. 4. Coronary artery heart disease, penyakit jantung koroner. 5. Myocardial infarction, infrak miokard. 6. Cardiac blood, peredaran darah jantung. 7. Depression, depresi. 8. Anxiety, kegelisahan. 9. Disease, penyakit. 10. Analisis, analisa. 11. Drug allergis, alergi obat. 12. Pathological, fantasi. 13. Intravenous injection, injeksi intravena. 14. Injek, suntik. 15. Vascular release, vaskular. 16. Diastolic blood, darah diastolik. 17. Systolic blood, darah sistolik. 18. Diet, mengatur pola makan. 19. Fever, demam. 20. Nausea, mual. 21. Chest thickness, sesak dada. 22. Respiratory, pernafasan. 23. Nervousness, kegugupan. 24. Anxious, kecemasan. 25. Trombosis, trombosis. 26. Metabolisme. 28. Psikological, psikologi. 29. Examination, pemeriksaan. 30. Myocardial, myokard. 31. Metode. 32. Suffer, menderita. 33. Stenosis, penyempitan kanal tulang belakang. 34. Angina pectoris, gejala arteri koroner. 35. Intervention, intervensi. 36. Precaution, tindakan pencegahan. 37. Urination, buang air kecil. 38. Plaques, plak. B. Finding the main ideas. CTA is a way of interventional detection, invasion, and easy operation. B. True. Coronary artery heart disease relates of the accumulation of white plaques on the smooth artery wall due to abnormal lipid metabolism. B3. A 64 layer multi-stage CT system of the USG Light-Speed FCT model was used for coronary CTA. Before, according to the diagnostic criteria of CHD, the quality assessment of CTA images were divided into 4 grades: grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. P5. The effect of different CTA nursing method on CHD patients were compared. CHD patients treated in Dong People's Hospital were selected as 3 research subjects and were random divided into the control group and the observation group.
C. Arranging the main idea into a paragraph. CTR is a way of international detection with the advantage of non-invasion and easy operation. At present, the convolute use contrast agent in infrared, science, X-ray are introduced to the agent. CTR is used to diagnose the presence or absence of lesion by intravenous injection of contrast agents, which is a tool for the diagnosis of vascular variability, vascular relative disease, and the display of pathological and vascular relationship. Coronary artery heart disease (CHD) relates to the convolute of white flux or substrate on the smooth artery walls due to abnormal lipid metabolism. Certainly, CTR is used to diagnose CHD clinical. However, patients are prone to physiological conditions of anxiety, nervousness, and depression during the examination. What's heart rate or HR are speeds of their bear, the effect of CTS are average. Therefore, for the accurate diagnosis, the medical personnel should actually and obviously communication with the patient to address their negative emotion, their during their heart rates, and assisting them to complete the examination. A 64-layer multi-slide CT system of the USGA Lightspeed FCT model was used for coronary CTR. Before the CTR examination, the patient should do from then for having safely inside CT, waiting from for 30 might ensure and stable HR. Then the HR of each patient was measured. If it excited 70 times or minutes, the patient was asked to take the menopause examination, starts patient to the sudden patient and were electrodelicate. Then they were asked to control their respiration rate, hold rate for the 13S and relax the body. Parameters for the CTR examination were 100 to the kVn of the voltage, 400 mR of the charge, 0.6 to 5 mm of layer thickness, 0.6 to 5 mm of wire pitch, and 112 and 112 of the metric. According to the just mentioned criteria of CHD, the quality assessment of CTR image the divides into 4 grades AR. Grades 1, grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4. The assessment criteria were as follows. Grade 1 is exilicismic quality, clear coronary artery, vascular freezing, endom artifact, and grade 2 is Satrixman quality, mitral pure coronary artery, small artifacts in the vessel walls. Grade 2 is moderate image quality at less half of the coronary artery discharge well blurred, medium upright in the vessel wall. And grade 4, poor image quality, vessel wall where cirrus pearl, severed upright, impossible of diagnosis. The effect of different CTR nursing methods on the CD patient were comprised. CDR persists dying in people hospital were selected as the research subject and were randomly divided in the control group and the observation group. Coronary CDR was performed on patients in both groups who accept different nursing methods, i.e., the routine nursing and the physiology nursing. Before and after the patient accepting different nursing methods, they were asked to evaluate the SERs and SDIs scored by Temple. In addition, physical indicators including HR, DPP, and SPP were measured to avoid the image quality of coronary CTRs. The result showed that HR, SPP, DPT, accident score, and depression score of patients in the observation group were considerably lower and those in the control group, and the difference were statistically significant. D. Translate the paragraph. CTA merupakan cara deteksi intervensi dengan keunggulan non-invasif dan pengoperasian yang mudah. Saat ini, agen kontras yang umum digunakan adalah ion bromide karena sinar X tahan terhadap agen tersebut. CTA digunakan untuk mendiagnosis ada atau tidaknya lesi dengan injeksi intravena agen kontras yang berguna untuk diagnosis variabilitas vaskular penyakit terkait dan tampilan patologis dan berhubungan vaskuler. Paragraf kedua, penyakit jantung arteri koroner atau PJK berkait dengan penumpukan plak putih atau zat lipid pada dinding arteri halus akibat metabolis lipid yang abnormal. Saat ini, CTA digunakan untuk mendiagnosis PJK secara klinis. Namun, pasien rentan terhadap kondisi psikologi berupa kecemasan, kegugupan, dan depresi selama pemeriksaan, yang detak jantungnya atau HR tercepat sehingga efek CTS akan terpengaruh. Oleh karena itu, untuk mendiagnosis yang akurat, tenaga medis harus secara aktif dan antusias berkomunikasi dengan pasien untuk meredakan emosi negatif mereka, sehingga dapat mengurangi detak jantung dan membantu mereka menyelesaikan pemeriksaan. Paragraf ketiga, sistem CT multi-irisan 64 lapis model FCT GE Light Speed AS digunakan untuk CTA koroner. Sebelum pemeriksaan CTA, pasien harus berdiri lebih dari 4 tangan dengan tenang di ruang CT selama 30 menit untuk memastikan HR stabil. Kemudian, HR setiap pasien diukur jika melebihi 70 kali per menit. Pasien diminta untuk meminum metoprolol tertar atau Guazou-Baiyusan Pharmaceutical China, tergantung pada saran dari dokter yang bertanggung jawab. Saat pemeriksaan CTA dimulai, pasien mengambil posisi terlentang dan diberi gerbang elektrokardial. Kemudian mereka diminta untuk mengontrol frekuensi pernafasan, menahan nafas selama dari 20 detik, dan merilekskan tubuh. Parameter penguji CTA adalah tegangan tabung 120 kV, arus tabung 40 mA, tebal lapisan 0,62 mm, jarak lapis 0,2 625 mm dan matriks 512 kali 512. Paragraf keempat, berdasarkan kriteria diagnosis penyakit jantung koroner, penilaian kualitas citra CTA dibagi menjadi 4 kelas, yaitu kelas 1, kelas 2, kelas 3, dan kelas 4. Kriteria penilaian adalah sebagai berikut. Derajat 1, kualitas gambar sangat baik, arteri koroner bersih, pengisian vaskuler, dan tidak ada artefak. Kelas 2, kualitas gambar yang memuaskan, arteri koroner agak kabur, artefak kecil di dinding pembuluh. Derajat 3, kualitas gambar sedang, setidaknya setengah dari arah arteri koroner kabur, artefak sedang di dinding pembuluh. Tingkat 4, kualitas gambar buruk, dinding pembuluh sangat buram, artefak parah, diagnosis tidak mungkin. Paragraf 5. Efek metode keperawatan CTA yang berbeda pada pasien PCK dibandingkan pasien PCK yang dirawat di rumah sakit. Rakyat Doying dipilih sebagai subjek penelitian dan dibagi secara acak menjadi kelompok kontrol dan kelompok observasi. CTA koroner dilakukan pada pasien dalam kedua kelompok yang menerima metode keperawatan yang berbeda, yaitu perawatan rutin dan perawat psikologi. Sebelum dan setelah pasien menerima metode keperawatan yang berbeda, mereka diminta untuk mengevaluasi skor SA dan SDS sendiri. Selain itu, indikator fisik termasuk HR, DBP, dan SBP diukur untuk mengevaluasi kualitas citra CTA koroner. Hasil penelitian menunjukkan bahwa skor HR, SBP, DBP, skor kecemasan, dan skor depresi pasien pada kelompok observasi jauh lebih rendah dibandingkan pada kelompok kontrol dan perbedaannya itu signifikan secara statik. A. The new information. The results of the HR, DBP, SBP, SAS score, and SDI score of patients in the observation group were low, lower than those in the control group, and the difference were statistically significant. Besides, the image quality of the observation group was significantly greater than of the control group, which was helpful for diagnosis and had statistical significance. Therefore, it is proved the physical nursing of CHD patient can effectively reduce the negative emotion of patients, such as anxiety and depression, which is conducive to CTA and can assist clinical diagnosis. And next.
F. Conclusion. The effects of different CTA nursing methods on CHD patients were compared. Differ or through the comparison of different nursing effects of routine and psychological nursing methods on CHD patients. It is proved that the psychological nursing method can effectively reduce negative emotions of patients, such as anxiety and depression, decrease the HR, SBP, and DBP of patients, and is more conducive to CTI, which therapy improves the reliability of clinical diagnosis.
Thanks for your attention and thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.